So today's gonna be a big day. We are going to spread some rock right now for a buddy of mine. He says he's got a tractor over there, so I don't really know what he's got. But anyway, we're gonna go spread some rock for him, and then we gotta go get something this afternoon. So anyway, y'all hang tight. I'll show you what we got when we get over to his place. Feel like being on YouTube? Feel like being on YouTube? Alright, so we got that rock spread this morning, and we're gonna see if we can't go buy something. You excited? Alright, so what do we have here? We have got a John Deere 466 net wrap baler. This is kind of an upgrade that I've been looking at for quite a while, and we finally bit the bullet, and we jumped off into something yesterday. So let's talk a little bit about this baler. This is a 4x6 baler. It will make a 4 foot wide by 6 foot tall bale. This baler is also a net wrap baler, which we are new to. I have ran several net wrap balers, but I've never owned one. So part of the reasons that I went with this baler, I got a really good deal on this baler. And also too, I don't know if you can tell in the video or not that you just seen, but this baler has been very well taken care of. There's almost no rust on here. There are very few spots where hay has been piled up and left, and even in those spots there's no rust on here. You can tell that whoever had it has taken very good care of it. It's been underneath the barn. It's not dinged up, bented It's not dinged up, bent up. It has been very, very well taken care of. So this is one of the things that I have been looking at for quite a while and hoping that I would have a chance to show you guys. There are going to be some more videos coming out of this pretty soon. I got a couple things I want to do to it. Main thing is I want to hook it up, get it running, listen to it. I got to change out a few teeth, nothing major. There are just a few of them that are bent. There's a couple that are broken, but I've got the parts to fix them already. So no big deal there. But yeah, we decided to go on and upgrade balers, and I think it's gonna work out very well for us this year. This is, like I say, this is something that I've been looking at for quite a while, and we had the opportunity to do it. The baler was at a very, very marketable price, and we jumped on it and took it off that fella's hands. So anyway, if you have a 466 or if you have run a 466, let me know how you like it. Let me know some of the problem areas. Let me know what you think. Let me know kind of the ins and outs of this baler. I've got a pretty good idea on John Deere balers anyway, but let me know. Let me know your experience with them. Let me know how they have worked for you. Let me know what you think of them, all that good stuff. Just drop me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Also, I've got a couple more videos lined up. This is just one of the first purchases that we have made thus far, and we hope to be making some more pretty soon. So with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I hope y'all look forward to getting some more videos of this baler as much as I look forward to making these videos. So with that being said, I will catch y'all next time. Until then, y'all be safe.